What is important in the UPSC is the conceptual clarity. Whoever is having the conceptual clarity, they will be in the service. What do you mean by the conceptual clarity? Whenever the people, specifically in the academics, what the people in the academics they will be doing, they will be preparing only important questions. Have you ever seen you in your academics what we have done? Normally, it is the case with everyone, right? There will be the lecturer will be giving, the teacher will be giving the important questions. After the entire explanation of the syllabus, they will be prescribing some important questions, and out of those important questions only the questions will be there in the exam, and we'll be copying, pasting there. We'll be getting 99.9%. That is what the academics. In the academics, it is what is happening. But here, the conceptual clarity is very important. What is this conceptual clarity? Let me give one particular question or maybe one concept. See here, suppose if it is our India, roughly, suppose if I draw the map of India, all you people are aware of this particular concept, and so I have taken this concept. Say this is, why itna bada sa map? Let us go for a small map, right? If it is India, roughly, right? All you people know the concept of mountains. What are the different mountains that are present in India, right? What are these mountains that are present in the north? All we people are well aware of. They are Himalayan mountains, right? What are these mountains that are there in the central part of India? The central part of India, which are dividing northern India and the southern India. These are called as Vindhyan mountains and Satpura mountains, right? What are these mountains that are there in the western side of India? Western Ghats. These are called as Eastern Ghats, right? Under the heading called as the mountains of India, in your class 6, the teacher has explained that these are the Himalayan mountains, these are the Vindhyan mountains, these are the Satpura mountains, these are the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. We blindly followed, we copied, and we have written the same thing in the exam. No one even dared to question the teacher in the class 6, class 7, class 8, like why they should be called as Ghats when the topic is mountains. That means what? Can we bring a equation like Ghats are equivalent to mountains? When the Ghats are equivalent to the mountains, can we call this one as Himalayan Ghats, Vindhyan Ghats, Satpura Ghats, Western mountains, Eastern mountains? When the answer is no, why we didn't question ourselves? Even why didn't we question the teacher? Like, so why the Ghats, the Western should be called as, the Western mountains should be called as Ghats? Why can't Western mountains? No one, till date, no one questioned. Forget about questioning someone. We didn't get even the doubt in our mind. What will be the question in the UPSC? The question will be like this one. What are Ghats? How they are different from the mountains? Explain the characteristics of the Western Ghats. That is what the question is. In the very first question, what are Ghats? If at all you are not writing the answer exactly to that Ghats, the remaining part is never valid. What is the question? What are Ghats? Explain the characteristics of the Ghats. What are the Western Ghats? What is Ghats? Till now we believe that they are the mountains. Yes, very tall. If you go there, it will be the tall mountains. They are the tall mountain-like structures. Himalayas are also mountains. Western Ghats are also mountains. Under the heading called as mountains as given by your teacher way back in a class 6. But why? They should not be called as mountains. Then what is the difference between the Ghats and the mountains? This is what mean by the conceptual clarity. Once you are having the conceptual clarity, UPSC becomes a cakewalk. UPSC is not giving any questions, any question which is from Mars or from Venus. It is asking the questions which are known to you, but at the basic level. It will be asking at the basic level. It will be striking at the core, at the ground level. Once your foundation is strong, that question can be answered perfectly. If the foundation is not good, obviously you cannot understand the entire essence of UPSC. Is it clear? See this one. All you people know, and so I have taken this particular example. Fine. This is the way how the UPSC will be questioning, which is meant by the conceptual clarity. And so we should be having everything, the knowledge, right from the basic to the peaks in a very, very clear manner. Once the concept is clear, you can write anything. Why this particular concept is being expressed on a greater scale right now, why we are emphasizing more on this one, because whenever you are having the conceptual clarity, then only you can attempt the preliminary questions. Then only you will be in a position to write the answers for the mains parts. Normally what the student is doing, this is the biggest mistake the student is doing. They will be confining themselves for the writing of the preliminary exam. They will be taking the syllabus of the prelims and they will be preparing that part and they will be giving the attempt. When it comes to mains, they will be taking the mains part and they will be preparing only for that one. This never will be giving the fruitful result. You should not prepare either for the prelims, only for the mains. It should not be the strategy. You should be having the complete concept. You should be having the complete knowledge, which is called as the holistic approach. Once the entire holistic approach preparation is there, then you will be qualifying the preliminary part. Why the people are failing the preliminary part for more than 3 times, 4 times? Because they are exclusively preparing for the prelims. Whoever exclusively prepares for the prelims, never they get qualified. In fact, they should have completed entire the preliminary subject, the syllabus of prelims. They should have completed even the entire syllabus of the mains, along with the essay writing, along with the ethics paper, along with the optional paper. Once you complete everything, then you are ready to give the preliminary examination. Then the people will get clarity and they will be qualifying the preliminary exam. What is the strategy? Many of the people, more than 70% of the people, what they are doing, they are exclusively preparing for the prelims and they feels like once I qualify the preliminary exam, then I will be looking into the mains syllabus. Never. It happens and the people will be keep on doing the repeated mistake and they are here itself. They are roaming and they are called as the senior citizens in the UPSC. This is what is happening, right? The preparation should be in a holistic manner, not in a piece by piece approach. That is why the conceptual clarity. Whenever your preparation is the holistic approach, then only you will get the conceptual clarity, or else you never will get the conceptual clarity.